Hello everyone. Today we are going to see new example. Let me start example number 14. Example number 14 says that the digit of a two-digit number. So first of all, two-digit numbers that is differ by 3. So first of all, we have to consider a number like a two-digit number like a 12, 13, 25 means two-digit number. But if you find the difference of these both numbers, so difference is 3. Okay, so if I take 13, so 3 is on ones place, so we can write in the previous classes we are how to expand this 13. 3 1 multiplied by 1, so 3 is on ones place plus 1 is on tens place. This way we are writing. Okay, so here let us take a two-digit number such that digit in the unit place is B. Here we guess that unit place is B, and then 10 place, the digit in the 10 place is differ by B by 3. Okay, means whatever number we are taking on 10 place is differ by 3. So on 10 place we take it B plus 3. So unit place is B and tens place is B plus 3. So it number becomes B is on ones place. So B multiplied by 1 B plus on tens place B plus 3 is on 10 place. So 10 B plus 3. This one is the number. Okay, now this 10, if we remove this bracket, so 10B plus 10 multiplied by 3, 30. 10B plus 30 plus B. Okay, 10B plus B, it's a 11B. 11B plus 30 is our two-digit number. Now, if the digit are interchanged, means whatever digit is on ones place, we have to consider it on tens place, and whatever digit on tens place we have to consider it on ones place. Like here 13 is there, so in place of 13 I will take 31. Okay, this way. So let me see, let me interchange this. Okay, B is on tens place, so 10 multiply 10B, and B plus 3 is on ones place, so B plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to B plus 3. Okay, here they interchange. With interchange of the digit, the resulting two-digit number will be 10B plus B plus 3. So if you remove the bracket, so 10B plus B is equal to 11B plus 3. So okay, we have now these two number. So this one is the old and this one is the, if you interchange the place, then and resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. Means original number and you interchange number. If you add this both number, you will get addition of these two number 143. So here I add 11B plus 30 plus 11B plus 3 is equal to, if you simply remove this bracket, so 11B plus 11B is equal to 22B and 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. So 22B plus 33 is equal to 143. Now from this equation you can find the value of B. Okay, so this 33 is going to right hand side, so it become minus 33. 143 minus 33, so it's a 110. Now this 2 is going to division of 110. 110 divided by 22. So if you cut these two to 22 5 are 110. So you will get the value of B. B is equal to 5. B is equal to 110 divided by 22. Then you divide it, so 22 5s are 110. So we get the value of B. So B is equal to 5. Now come back to the question. Okay, question is that what can be the original number? So what is the original number? So we know that original number is this. On ones place B is there, on ones place 5, on tens place B plus 3 means 5 plus 3 8. 8 is on tens place, so original number is 85. B is on ones place, B ones place plus tens place b plus 3. On tens place b plus 3 means 5 plus 3, 8. So this way we can find the answer. Now let me see example number 15. So example 15 says that Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. So let me guess, Shreya's present age is X and Arjun's present age is twice than Shriya, means multiply by 2. 2 multiply by Shreya's age. Shreya's age is X. So Arjun's age is 2X. Okay. So first of all, we guess the age of Shriya is X and Arjun's present age is twice than Shriya. Twice means multiply by 2. So 2X. Then 5 years ago. Ago means before 5 years. Means minus 5. So before 5 years, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. So first of all, we have their present age. So before 5 years, Shreya's age is x minus 5 and Arjun's age is 2x minus 5. Now, they said that before 5 years, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Arjun's age is 3 times. Okay, here I write Arjun, Shriya. Now I have to compare to both age. Okay, I want equal. Arjun's age is equal to Shriya's age. Okay, in question it is given that 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Arjun's age is 3 times. This one is 3 times. Okay, so it is 3 times less. If you want that both should be equal, here we want both equal. Okay, we want both equal. It is already 3 times more. So here you multiply the Shriya's age with 3. So now both will equal. Given that, again I am revising, please attention. 5 years ago his age means Arjun's age was 3 times Shriya's age. Arjun's age is 3 times. It is 3 times already 3 times, but here you want both should be equal. Okay, so here you multiply with 3. Now both will be equal because Arjun's age is already 3 times more. So Shriya's age multiplied by 3. Now both should be equal. Now let me see. Arjun's age is 2x minus 5 is equal to here 3 times Shriya's age. So 3x minus 5. Now if you remove this bracket, so 3 is multiplied with both. 3 multiplied by x minus, so 3x, 3 minus, 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. Now 3x as it is, this 2x is coming to right hand side. So 2x is here plus. So if it come on left hand side, right hand side, so it become minus 2x. 3x minus 2x. And this minus 15 is going to left hand side, so it becomes plus 15. So here 15 minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is equal to x and 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So here you will get x is equal to 10. So above you guess what x, Shreya's present age is x. In question what they ask, find their present age, both present age. So Shreya's age is x, Shreya's age is 10 and Arjun's age is 2x. So 2 multiplied by x, 2 multiplied by 10, 2 tens are 20. Arjun's age is 20 years. Hello everyone. So today we are going to start exercise 2.4, chapter number 2. So first sum says that Amina think of a number. Amina is thinking about a number, but number is not given. So let me guess, the number is x. Number is x. Now subtract 5 by 2 from it. So subtract 5 by 2 from x. So x minus 5 by 2. She multiply the result with 8. Now this multiply by 8. So I will do the bracket multiply with 8. Add the result, means result of this all is equal to 3 times, what is the result? 3 times the same number she thought. She thought x, so 3x. Now what is the number? So we have to find the number x from this equation. So first of all, friends, this 8 is multiplied with this bracket. So 8 multiplied by x, that is 8x, minus 8 multiplied by 5 by 2. 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 3x. Now we can cut this. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now 5 multiplied by 4, 5 4s are 20. So 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Now here we want to find the value of x. So 8x is over here. So this 3x is coming to left hand side. So it becomes minus 3x. And this minus 20 is going to right hand side. So it becomes plus 20. Okay, both operation I am doing together. So 8x, this 3x is plus minus 3x. And this minus 20 together going to right hand side, it become 20. So 8x minus 3x, and we know that it's a 5x is equal to 20. Now this 5 is in multiplication with x, so it goes to division of 20. So 20 divided by 5. 5, 20 and 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So x is equal to 4. So our question is, what is the number? So in answer we can write that on sentence of the answer, the number is 4. Now let me see example number 2. Question number 2 says that a positive number is 5 times another number. So here we have to guess 2 numbers. So let me guess, one number is x. And another number is five times another number. So it's a 5x. So here we have two numbers, x and 5x. If 21 is added to the both numbers, okay, so it becomes x plus 21, 5x plus 21. If 21 is added to both number, the one of the number become twice the other number. What are the number? If you add 21 in both the number, so one number is twice the another number. So friends, simply here we want both equal. So it is x, it is 5x. It is already bigger, right friends? It is already bigger. So if we want to equal this both, so twice is coming over here. So maybe both should be equal. Now let me solve the equation and find the x from it. First of all, this 2 is multiplied with this all. 2 multiplied by x, 2x plus 21 to the 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. Now this 2x is going to right hand side, so it becomes minus 2x, and together this 21 is going to left hand side, so it becomes minus 21. Here two operations I am doing together, so here only 42 minus 21 is equal to 5x minus 2x. Understood, friend? Now 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x, and 42 minus 21 is equal to 21. 1. Now remove these 3. So this 3 is coming over here in division of 21. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Therefore, x is equal to 7. So one number already we got. X is equal to 7. So another number is 5x. So another number is 5x. So 5 multiplied by 7. So 5 7s are 35. So here we got both the number. One number is x and the another number is 5x. So x is equal to 7, 5x is equal to 35. So here we got both the number 7 and 35. So here we stop our video. In next video we will see the examples 3 onwards. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.